How to switch account on Roblox. In this video, I will show you how you can switch your account on Roblox. So, to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your device so you can access Roblox on your browser. You can also access the application itself since the application itself also offers the switch account feature. Now, on your account, click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen, and then under that you'll be able to find the switch accounts button. So once you click on this, you'll be able to find all of the accounts signed in on this specific tab. So you can simply select the other account that you have in here and then sign in to that account. And that is how you can basically switch accounts on Roblox. Take note that this feature is only available for those 13 plus users on Roblox.